Team Connect Ceiling Medium now has a new installation variant that makes installing quicker and easier than ever before. Let's have a look at how easy it really is. First, we of course unbox the TCCM and ceiling tile. Then, attach the TCCM to the ceiling tile plate. Ensure that it is lined up using the orientation mark on the ceiling tile and secure the microphone into place using the 3 latches. When the TCCM is attached to the ceiling tile, you're now ready to install. For this, you of course need a ladder to get into the ceiling. Lift up the ceiling tile with the attached TCCM and connect the Ethernet cable. The cable should be ready as part of the wider install. Then, all you need to do is place it in the ceiling and you're good to go. How quick and easy is that?